Patton, our oldest son, graduated from St. Andrews Episcopal School and then attended Ole Miss and received an English degree. While waiting to go to law school, he decided he would go to Haiti for a couple of months. He was going to Haiti and he was going to become a lawyer. He came back from Haiti. He sat down and he told us, I have something that I need to tell you. I first thought he was going to go to the mission field. I thought that was what he was going to share. But instead he said that he thought that he wanted to bypass law school and become a plumber. And again, that was a lot for me to have to swallow. And I could not be more proud of him for making that decision, because he now owns his own business. He has 8 young men working for him and owns probably about 6 or 7 vehicles and does an amazing job.